Hi children, I am Rashmi Gupta. Once again before you, I am going to show you the video of lesson 12, Time to be a Rock, from our English Garden coursebook. Let's watch the video. Yes children, this is our lesson 12, Time to be a Rock. Children, in this the title of the chapter, Time to be a Rock, means in this chapter we learn the story of a turtle, and in this chapter turtle change himself in a rock. And how does he change himself? We learn it from the lesson, and now we will do exercise of this chapter. Playing with words. A. Fill in the blanks using words from the box. Just example: Dan, burro, pond, anthill, and stable. All these words are the house of the animals. Let's watch which one is which animals. First, an ant lives in an anthill, means the house of the ant is called as a anthill. A rabbit lives in a burrow. The house of the rabbit is known as a burrow. A horse lives in a stable. The house of horse is known as a stable. A lion lives in a den, and the house of the lion is called as a den. A duck lives in a pond. Duck lives in the pond. So these are the house of the animals which we know about this exercise. Now children, come to next exercise B. Write the correct action words for these pictures. Do not forget to add ing to the words. All these pictures shows us an action. As example, this boy is sleeping on the bed, so we will write sleep and add ing. Then our word becomes sleeping. Second one, this picture is showing writing action, so we will write writing. And the next picture is showing to us eating, so we will write eating. Next one, sweeping. A girl is sweeping on the floor, so we will write sweeping. Drinking. A boy is drinking something, so we will write drinking. And last, flying. All these words shows us an action, and we will add ing on the action words. Now come to learning the language. Answer these questions using yes, there is, or no, there is not. Means children, there are some questions which questions has the answer in yes or no. कुछ क्वेश्चंस के आंसर हम yes और no में ही दे सकते हैं. So we will know how can we answer the questions. First, is there a puppy on the table? Children, what is on the table? There is a cat on the table, but question is puppy. So we will answer like this. No, there is not. Means there is no puppy. There is not a puppy on the table. There is a cat. So we will answer in a negative form. No, there is not. Second one, is there a pen in the girl's hand? Children, yes, the girl has a pen. So we will write yes, there is. Is there a flower in the vase? Is there a flower in the vase? No, there is no flower in the vase. So we will write the answer no, there is not. Next, is there an apple in the basket? Yes, there is an apple in the basket. So we will answer like this. Yes, there is. Is there a bird on the tree? Yes, there is a bird on the tree. So we will write yes, there is. Children, in this way we can write the answer. If answer is positive, then we will write yes. If our answer is in negative, then we will write no. Last one, is there an apple in the rabbit's hand? Rabbit hand में apple है? No, there is not. I think you will be understood it very well. Now come to writing portion children. In this picture, there are 4 pictures showing to us. Hmm? And all are jumbled. Means which event is become first, which and second, which one is on the second. These are all presented in the jumble way. So let's read the questions. The pictures of this story are all jumbled up. Number them in the correct order, then write 5 or 6 sentences to tell the story. Give a proper ending to the story. You may use these words. Children, first of all, we will give the number of these 4 events. First event, 2 chicks are roaming for food. They are searching for food. And second picture, all of a sudden, they show a tail, which they imagine that it is an insect. So they are trying for catch it. And third picture, they are trying and trying to got the insects. But in after a very hard task, they got the insects. But what is insects? They become very puzzled and become very surprised and shocking. Why are they shocking? Let's read the story. One day, 2 little chicks were looking for food. They were hungry. In this picture, we are showing these 2 birds looking for the food and they are very hungry. Suddenly, they saw a worm behind a fence. Fence means wall, divar. They were very happy. In this picture, they saw a worm behind the fence and become very happy as they thought that they has got the food. Third one, they tried to pull the worm out. It kept getting longer and they are trying their best to pulling out the insect or worm and they are trying more and more. At last, finally, they got that they had been pulling the tail of the rat all along. And finally, they had got been the pulling the tail of the rat. Finally, they found it is not a worm, it is a tail of a rat. When the angry rat came out. In this way, children, the chicks are not getting their food. Now, children, I stop my pen. I think you will understood very well. Bye bye.